Good morning everyone. Welcome to Srini Wonders. Today I am doing an activity. I am an experiment. See, I have taken all these balls. Now I will pour water in it. Balls in it. The white balls are small now. Not small, less. Everything is like so beautifully. It's like a real pearl for me. For you, how it is? Now tell me in the comments, okay? You also try this in your home. It'll be so good, okay? Without water, you need to wear, okay? You have kept ready with the toy, right? They will melt if they are out. Not so fastly, but they'll take time. But they'll melt. Wow, they are so big, right? For the lighting, which color I could not identify. See? Now, take the toy. It's toy time, dudes. Now wait. Wait for some time. They